Hey guys, Spectrelink. As you can see outside, I don't know if you can see it, but it is raining really badly, and it's been going on since last night, actually since yesterday. And to tell you the truth, my backyard isn't any better. It is flooded, and I hope my dogs are okay. They're probably in there. Probably should. I'll go check on them. But yeah, it is flooded out here. It's my sandbox. Well, it was. But yeah, look how bad it is out there. It's not gonna stop for a while, I'm guessing. Hopefully things don't get too severe.